colors in English? Red. What color is the apple? It is red. Yellow. What color is the sun? It is yellow. Green. What color is the cucumber? It is green. Blue. What color is the sky? It is blue.
Pink.
What color is the candy? It is pink.
Orange. What color is the carrot? It is orange. Purple. What color is the butterfly? It is purple. Brown. What color is the cookie? It is brown. Gray. What color is the moon? It is gray. White. What color is the cloud? It is white. Black. What color is the cat? It is black. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.